अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल और स्वागत है आप सभी का राइट हियर इन जी कनेक्ट सीजन 3 आर यू कनेक्टेड। मैं हूं अभिजीत और आज इस एपिसोड में मैं बहुत खुश भी हूं और काफी दुखी भी। खुश इस वजह से इज दैट बिकॉज वी आर मैसिव 54 एपिसोड्स इनटू अ सीजन 3 और दुखी इस वजह से क्योंकि हमारा और आपका साथ रहेगा केवल 2 और एपिसोड्स। यस, योर गेस इज एज गुड एज माइन। दिस इज आवर सेकंड लास्ट एपिसोड ऑफ जी कनेक्ट सीजन 3, यानी केवल 2 एपिसोड में हमारा और आपका राब्ता फिर जाने कब होगा ये पता नहीं, लेकिन शो की शुरुआत करते हैं एक मजेदार नोट पे। चटपटी खबर आपके लिए लेकर आया हूं at the Bollywood Buzz of the Week. बॉलीवुड बज़ ऑफ द वीक में इस हफ्ते हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट सीक्वल्स इन बॉलीवुड। अब आपको पता ही होगा कि क्रिश के हिट होने के बाद डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर राकेश रोशन ने ऑलरेडी अनाउंस कर दिया है कि वो क्रिश 4 पक्का बनाने वाले हैं। साथ ही साथ हाल ही के एक इंटरव्यू में करण जौहर ने कहा है कि वो कभी खुशी कभी गम 2 बनाना चाहते हैं विद द सेम स्टार कास्ट, दैट इज अमिताभ बच्चन, शाहरुख खान, ऋतिक रोशन, करीना कपूर, काजोल एंड जया बच्चन। मुझसे अगर आप ये बात पूछें तो ये फिल्म जरूर बननी चाहिए as it is gonna break all sorts of records at the box office। साथ ही साथ सीक्वल्स की अगर बात कर रहे हैं, ये हमारा सेकंड लास्ट एपिसोड है और जी कनेक्ट का भी एक सीक्वल बनना चाहिए जिसमें मैं ही हूं, पर ये होगा या नहीं ये जानने देखते रहिए द बॉलीवुड बज़ ऑफ द वीक। अब उन चटपटी बॉलीवुड खबरों के बाद चलते हैं एक धमाकेदार सेलिब्रेशन पे। इंडिया क्लब ने दिवाली का फेस्टिवल मनाया बड़े जोरों शोरों से। हम लोग वहां पे गए बिकॉज द थीम वाज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। द थीम वाज 100 years of Bollywood and they definitely lived up to our expectations। आइए चल के देखते हैं।
Hi and welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you very much.
How is India Club celebrating Diwali this year?
Well, we have been quite enthusiastic about celebration of Diwali in India Club, and I think we have done quite well, and the interest of the people is also great. And the number of members attending club on Diwali is quite encouraging, and particularly when they bring in their young children to watch the activities, we feel by that way we have fulfilled our dream and responsibility.
Please share a message for the Indian community celebrating Diwali away from home.
Living away from home country, it puts more responsibility on us to remind our young children not to forget the roots, and that can happen only when we keep on celebrating this sort of event in a proper and authentic manner.
How are you celebrating Diwali at the India Club with the Indian community?
Well, you know that the India Club does such a fantastic job of hosting all Indian festivals, and Diwali is of course no exception. In fact, it's being one of our biggest festivals. India Club is celebrating it with a lot of fanfare, and we at Rainbow Milk are very happy to be partnering with that. So in a very Indian Bollywood spirit, today is a Bollywood evening, in fact celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema, and there's a fantastic show happening. The crowd is really good, and there are lots of sweets and desserts going around for people to try.
इंडिया क्लब knows how to celebrate indeed। वक्त हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। ब्रेक के उस पार we have some music, मस्ती and a lot of bling for you। Stay connected। वेलकम बैक टू जी कनेक्ट सीजन 3 आर यू कनेक्टेड। अब वक्त हो चुका है कुछ सुरीली आवाजें सुनने का। द मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट ऑफ रागा फैक्ट्री वाज बैक एंड दिस टाइम इट वाज बिगर एंड बेटर। अगर आपको नहीं पता है रागा फैक्ट्री है क्या, इट्स अ कल्मिनेशन ऑफ इंडियन म्यूजिक विद वेस्टर्न साउंड्स। टू नो मोर, लेट्स चेक इट आउट।
Hi and welcome to Z Connect.
Hi, Kalindi.
How does it feel to be performing for the second time at the Raga Factory?
Me and Jyoti Karmali have conceptualized the Raga Factory, so we're very excited about it. That is the second time we're performing again in Q Underground Holiday in Al Barsha. So lots of new singers, lots of new renditions. So it's very nice. You must enjoy it. Old retro songs have been revamped and made into rocking and reggae, and these kind of styles have been introduced. And new songs have been again revamped as well and made into more westernized versions. So it's fantastic, and the musicians are so talented, the singers are so talented. It's a bliss. It's really wonderful to see how well they perform.
Hi and welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be performing at the Raga Factory for the second time?
It feels great, and it's just awesome. It's awesome fun when we musicians get together and produce such wonderful music. It's awesome to be here again.
And what kind of music can the audience look forward to tonight?
Well, it's there's a lot of retros with magical touch, the raga touch, I would say. We have revamped the music into reggae, salsa, blues, stuff like that.
Now, after that exciting performance, Raga Factory will be back next month on the 6th of December at Q Underground, Al Barsha. So make sure you mark the dates in your calendar. Next up, we went to a very, very interesting book launch. The name of the book is The Soldier's General, written by retired General Mr. J.J. Singh, who is a former Army Chief of India. We were very curious to find out about this particular book, and that is why Kalandi was there. Let's have a look.
Welcome to the Buy and welcome to Z Connect.
Kalindi, it's my pleasure to be here and thank you for speaking with me.
Wishing you a very big congratulations on the launch of your book.
Thank you once again. It's my privilege to be here and for all the wonderful people who came to be present at this launch.
What would you like to tell my viewers about your book?
Firstly, a time comes when everyone feels the urge of writing his life or her life's experiences. So same thing happened to me, and when I hanged my spurs in 2007, I said, let me start writing before memory starts to fade and I start having difficulties remembering the important parts of my life. So that's how I got into this, shall we say, momentum of writing my life's experiences. Secondly, some people asked me that you kept talking that you will write, but are you serious? And I said, no, I am serious and I shall work on it. So I had to work 4 or 5 years to produce this book, which was released last year.
I know it's a little bit difficult, but which one is your favorite chapter?
Actually, my experience as a brigade commander fighting terrorists in Kashmir was my most challenging assignment. And I was targeted by them 2-3 times. I've been shot up also, and yet I survived. So mine is a story of a survivor. I found that a great challenge, but then I believed in a philosophy which is very clear in my book, that while fighting terrorism, we must know and we must understand that when we are in Kashmir or when we are northeast of India, wherever within the country, we are handling and dealing our own citizens, and 99% of them are innocent. So the philosophy I followed was an iron fist for the terrorists and velvet glove for the people.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, Dubai once again has outdone itself. Now, when it comes to cars, when it comes to speed, and when it comes to style, Lamborghini is the creme de la creme of the automobile world. Now, we are going to show you a prototype that's made of gold and diamonds. Can't you believe it? Well, check it out.
Welcome to Dubai and welcome to Z Connect.
Hey, thank you very much.
What would you like to tell my viewers about the most expensive and most precious model car in the world?
Yeah, it's a cooperation between Lamborghini and my company in Germany, Robert Gülpen Engineering, and we started the project 2 years ago to build the most expensive model car in the world out of solid gold and 2,000 precious stones.
What are the kind of processes that go into making such a unique model?
Yeah, this was very different. We worked with 7 different companies together to build it, regarding the modes, regarding the technique to get it.
Please tell me everything about the Guinness World Book of Records.
Yes, there are 4 entries in the Guinness Book of World Records. Firstly, the most expensive model car in the world, then the most secure showcase in the world, the most expensive logo in the world, and 4, we wanted to cast the body of the car, but we cannot because it was too big. And so we decided to carve it out, to mill it out of a solid 500 kilo gold block. So we will carve out of this solid 500 kilo gold block the body of the car. And this is the 4th entry in the Guinness Book and World Record, and a high-tech process too.
Wow, now that was definitely exciting. कैसा लगा आपको ये हमें जरूर बताइएगा हमारे Facebook पेज पे, and hopefully we'll read it out in our last episode. हाल फिलहाल वक्त हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, but keep those remotes away as we've got something really exciting for you, so stay connected. Welcome back to Z Connect Season 3. Are you connected? मैं हूं अभिजीत, and for all my gorgeous women out there, we've got something very, very special for you. One of the world's leading cosmetic brands, Lakme, launched something called the Lakme Absolute. Now, people say that this particular makeup lasts for more than 16 hours. Kalindi was there to get the word from the experts. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Dubai and welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you very much.
Wishing Lakme a big congratulations on their new launch.
Thank you. We're very excited to be here.
Please tell me a little more about it.
Lakme, as you know, is almost every Indian woman's first beauty brand, and we're very proud to take it to Dubai to offer, first of all, the Indian consumer her home brand, but also to offer the Lakme range to women who are not necessarily only Indian, but who realize that the shades that we offer will suit them really, really well.
How has Lakme transformed its product for this region?
So Lakme's products are designed for hot, humid weather, as well as the dry, hot weather that we have in the extremes between the north and the south of India itself. And therefore, we find that the products will suit this climate much, much better. So whether it be, the hot and humid of Southeast Asia to the hot and dry climates here, we find that our product range traverses quite well.
What kind of woman uses Lakme?
Oh gosh, every Indian woman uses Lakme, but to be honest, we have different products catering to different needs. So we have the basic entry-level products that are really the first few products you experiment with. So be it the Kajal pencil, or the first few lip glosses and lipsticks. But then it really grows on you, and the compact shades and the skin shades are the ones that you really can't do without. And then we graduate into a range that we've just called 9 to 5, which is every working woman's range. So it's a range of subtler shades, it's a range of makeup that lasts all day. And then we graduate that further into a very premium offering called Lakme Absolute. And Lakme Absolute is really about delivering professional finishes in makeup. So it's for the more sort of global, professional woman who's seeking finishes which are almost expert. And she's more evolved in terms of makeup usage herself, and therefore even the shades that you'll find on Absolute are the shades that perhaps a newcomer into the range of makeup would be a little bit afraid of using, but this lady is far more confident with playing around with that range.
There are a lot of recognizable modern symbols. Just like the red ribbon stands for AIDS awareness, the pink ribbon stands for breast cancer, and of course, did you know what the orange dot stands for? Yes, the orange dot stands for the Orange Pledge Against Obesity. VLCC launched one of the world's largest campaign against obesity, and of course, who better to talk to than Vandana Luthra? Let's take a look.
Hi and welcome to Z Connect.
Hi, thank you for inviting me.
What is the VLCC Anti-Obesity Initiative all about?
Well, VLCC started the Observing the Anti-Obesity Day, I think 26th of November, 12 years back. And the thought behind it was creating awareness in society and helping people to eradicate VLCC and the people around, which included the private sector, the public sector, the heads of the state, important people, some from the glamour industry, to join hands with us and to help us eradicate obesity from society and give a new meaning to the lives of many people.
What is the Orange Pledge?
Well, the Orange Pledge speaks about nothing, but it speaks about a commitment to this cause, and the color tells us and the dot tells us that, okay, you better watch out, and you need to lose weight, and you need to be disciplined and feel happy and confident about yourself.
What are some of the tips that you follow?
Well, I lead a disciplined life. I wake up early, I sleep on time, and exercise regularly. I don't miss a day of exercising. Even if I have to take an early morning flight, I'll exercise, and I eat right. And I'm naughty sometimes. I indulge in, maybe I love Italian, and I love going out for dinners and enjoying myself. I've got 3 grandchildren now, so I take them out every Sunday whenever I get an opportunity. But I have a thought behind, and it's always there behind my mind, that I have to be fit.
May the orange dot achieve its purpose, and healthy living, mind you, is the way forward. इसी बात पे वक्त हो चुका है कि हम ले आपसे इजाजत। मुलाकात होती है the last episode of Z Connect Season 3 में अगले हफ्ते। तब तक stay connected, Allah Hafiz, and do take very good care of yourself.